What's up, guys? We're James and Jamie Lynn with the Wood Cutting Board Store. We wanted to, in today's video, cover what you need to do as soon as your board shows up. So first of all, you got to call Grandma, let her know the board's here and you're ready to get going now.
Feel it, admire it.
Absolutely. And so we have a cutting board butter, and when your board shows up, you definitely want to get it out and you want to go ahead and apply this on all sides of the board. The oil will continue to absorb into the wood as it's en route to you. It's already going to be ready to rock and roll the moment it shows up at your door. It's already oiled, it's already cured as soon as we ship it out, but this is the right step to make in terms of getting your board set up for years of proper use.
Yeah, adding an application of board butter when you receive your board helps to start the maintenance process. So you can have your board last as long as you want it to.
So let's show them, huh?
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this board butter. What you're going to do is take a paper towel or a paper napkin, and you're just going to scoop some of the board butter out, and you're going to apply it in circles. So you're going to kind of work it into the wood like you would some lotion, giving your cutting board some lotion. Give it some wax. So you're going to apply it in circles and kind of work it in. There's going to be, you're not going to work it all the way in. There's going to be some sitting on top, and that's great.
You kind of want it to sit on there because it will, over a 15-minute period of time, it'll help to soak in even more.
I'm going to let the wood grab what it needs, and it'll leave the rest up.
And pull the can off.
And we're going to wipe the excess off after it's sat on the board for a little bit. So then you can let it sit.
Guys want to make sure to get inside that juice screw. That's always awesome as well. Get inside that juice screw right there. Get it all the way through. And yeah, you're just going to let it sit for a period of time. Good 15 minutes is great. It'll soak in as it needs to. So now that the board butter has sat on there for a good 15 minutes, you can go ahead and just take that napkin and just wipe off the excess. And that's pretty much it.
And then your board's ready to roll. It's even better if you're able to butter your board and then sit it up on its side and let it sit overnight. So it's great to butter your board when you're gonna leave it for a few hours and let all that oil soak in and the wax harden before you use your board.
Thanks, guys, for watching. We're James and Jamie Lynn with the Wood Cutting Board Store. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment or shoot us an email. We'd be glad to help you out.